Where the heck is Ely, Nevada? And why would anyone desire to experience this remote Nevada town? Well, let me explain. Ely, Nevada is located 4 hours north of Las Vegas and 4 hours west of Salt Lake City. The historic town is literally in the middle of nowhere. This small town is full of character and surprises, renowned for its historic Ghost Railroad and one of the most haunted hotels. The Hotel Nevada. And that's not all. Ely has a lot to offer the traveler and the explorer. Let's check out historic Ely, Nevada. We would like to introduce the Nevada Northern Railroad, otherwise known as the Ghost Train of Old Ely. The story goes that in July of 1941, metal scrappers came to the railroad in search of scrap metal for the war efforts of World War II. Meet locomotive number 40. Her use was no longer needed, so she was a prime candidate to be cut up. But as good fortune has it, the train crews loved number 40. So much that when the management of Kennecott Copper came knocking on the door, the crew ran the steam locomotive up the line and hid her. To the surprise of residents of Ely, once the officials left, the crews returned number 40 back to the engine house in East Ely under the cover of darkness. With everyone believing the locomotive had been taken, much to their surprise, hearing the mournful whistle, people believed the ghost of number 40 had returned. Today's Nevada Northern offers several activities for visitors. Most weekends, a steam locomotive will be in operation. Climb aboard a period passenger car pulled by a steam locomotive, enjoying a comfortable 90-minute round trip up and back through Robinson Canyon. Watch out for the train robbers.
Hey, Mark.
Good morning.
Morning to you.
You're taking me for a cab ride today.
Yes, sir.
Number 40.
Yes, sir.
1910 Baldwin.
Yes, sir. 107 years old next month.
107 years old next month. Wow. So how fast are we going to get going today? Because I'm a speed demon, man. I love going fast.
Well, the line's rated at 25, but we're speed limit 15.
15?
Yeah.
All right.
She was built for 90. There's rumors of doing 100 in this thing back in the old days.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes me a little nervous.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm really excited. I'm going to come up and I'm going to get some shots of you guys when you do.
Come on up.
Yeah. Living the dream.
Break 40 minutes 40. Required to clear crossing.
For the more adventurous visitor, do like I did. Take a cab ride in one of the 3 locomotives. You cannot believe the sights and sounds as the steel wheels bite into the steel rails. Everyone is welcome at this registered historic site. In addition to a ride behind a steam locomotive, the railroad offers rides in the restored 1956 Pontiac station wagon that can operate on rails as well as the highway.
Yeah, how am I going to get a copy of this?
I'm going to put it on our YouTube channel.
Okay. It is like a lagoon.
If you ever get a chance to come out to Ely, the shop crew here, they let you come in and walk around. it's really quite an experience to step back in time. I'll do a little pan here so you can take a look and see. It's an extensive shop. They can do everything here other than maybe build a boiler. Hotel Nevada. We can't say enough about how much we enjoy staying here. The rooms are very clean, comfortable beds, and there's a gambling hall on the ground floor. And yes, it's haunted.
If there's one place to come up to a ghost, this old hotel, Mr. Well. Alright, I got one more floor to get the hell out of this place. I'm not digging this. Come on, let's get the hell out of here. I don't like this. I'm out of here. I'm on the 6th floor, which may be the real ghost floor of the Hotel Nevada. And as I walk down these hollowed hallways, I see photographs of times past. And more importantly, there are rooms here. Ingrid Bergman, Charlie Pride, Hank Thompson. And as I continue down the hallway here, there's photographic memories of these wonderful days of Ely that has gone by. Let's remember, this is the most haunted part of Hotel Nevada. Anne Rutherford. Everybody knows about Anne Rutherford. Gary Cooper, born as a Frank Cooper in the state of Montana in 1901, ended up becoming one of the biggest movie stars in Hollywood in the early parts of cinema. And at the end of the hallway here, amazingly, Tennessee Ernie Ford and Charlie Rich. I don't dare knock, because I'm afraid they're going to come walking out here. Alright, I believe in ghosts, and I'm a little freaked out about this right now, so I want to get back down to our floor, because there's not a soul walking around here. I'm out of here. This is in the guts. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You oversee this place, don't you? You went through that door?
Well, he was the same guy that was watching the videos.
What videos?
On the other side of the... over here. So, you live down here, or what do you do?
Do I live down here?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I know, it's like... you're
What
down
is this
by
place
yourself.
all about?
No.
Why?
Come on out this way.
We're following you.
Okay.
Oh,
You guys aren't supposed to be down here. No, you won't see the ghost. You want me to take you where the ghost?
yeah. Do it. You know by their names.
No, there's only one.
Oh, really?
One ghost.
A little girl.
Oh God, that's scary.
I think the 5th floor is where they see her the most. There used to be a group of people that would come and leave toys for her in a room.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
Go ahead, look around down here.
What is this?
So,
I have never seen her. My nephew did.
Yeah?
A year and a half ago.
yeah?
And he saw her down here.
Down here.
He even he took a selfie of himself, and behind it you could see a picture of a little ghostly image of a girl right behind him. There's no way. Yeah, he was down. He was actually right over here, I believe. Because there's lightning dog took a picture of himself, and somehow on the picture he put on Facebook and all that stuff.
Really?
That'll go all the way to the 6th. There's only 6 floors.
All right, Brian, thank you.
All right, yeah, no problem.
Up we go.
Don't be scared.
I am scared.
No, he's scared.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is. He's running. What he can do?
Ghost stories. No, I don't. I'm freaking out a little bit right now, okay? I mean, God, what do you expect? Look at that dude looking at me. All right? Ghost stories. Well, that's kind of cool there. I like that ghost story. Cutting shark. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this place is spooky as hell. You know why? There's so much energy. Oh God, is everybody in there? All right, here we go. Is this the same car that takes us to our floor? Huh?
6. Going to 6.
Oh my God, we're on 6.
Budweiser, 6th floor.
Oh shit, man.
Well, we survived Hotel Nevada once again. Being we've stepped back in history in this beautiful town, we recommend that you also go see the Renaissance Village. This is a collection of old homes of the different cultures that created the town of Ely. Ely is such a great destination for a family event. I'd like to introduce my sweet mother.
Yeah, he did. Hi there, we're at the Renaissance Village in Ely, Nevada. Lots of real neat period homes with all different kind of different people. What do you call them?
Cultures.
Nationalities. Lots of nationalities represented in these homes.
Nice, thank you. That was pretty good.
Cooked on those all the time. Yep. She used to cut potatoes and put them on top of them, fried potatoes. Oh, they were so good.
Who would have thought? Ely, Nevada. What a neat little place to go visit on a weekend. With Great Basin National Park and Lehman Caves just 1 hour south, you can make a great weekend expedition out of this location. All amenities are there, great lodging, and there's some very fine restaurants. So, if you enjoyed our presentation of Ely, Nevada, hey, subscribe, share. Comments are always welcome, and we're going to be looking forward to seeing you guys on our next Navy Travy adventure.